Hello, investors! Here's our technically speaking trade ideas and commentaries for the week.
Global markets were rattled at the start of last week's trading due to weak U.S. economic data and unwinding of Japan carry trades. The PSEi was not spared from the correction, and this price action led the index to form a gap, August 5, 2024, and breach the key 50-day and 200-day SMAs. As the index reached the support level of 6,400, buying demand emerged and pushed the index back up. The recovery allowed the PSEi to break the short-term downtrend line we have drawn from the peak of July 22, 2024. The MACD is above the zero baseline and looks like it's about to reverse, while RSI is showing that there is momentum. This means that we may see a retest of the 6,830 resistance area this week.
For this week's trade ideas, we're featuring
Ayala Land Incorporated. ALI has been trading within an uptrend channel for the past 2 years. Recently, it briefly touched the support of the said channel and managed to exhibit a rebound, keeping its uptrend intact. We see a buying opportunity at the stock's current price, as we anticipate that we can make significant gains if ALI reaches the resistance of its channel. To manage risks, set your stop level at 27.45 or below the support of its bounds.
Like these ideas? Take action and log into your BDO Securities account today. If you're a newer investor or trader, be sure to also check out our educational content on our website and our social media channels.